Hey guys, I'm Kary Sabedra with Modern Diesel in Austin, Texas. I'm really excited because I'm going to show you this 1972 K5 Blazer that we just got done building. Originally, our customer came to us with a really good budget. He said that he wanted to get some fresh paint, a nice new stance, and add AC to the vehicle. To start with, we took the body off and sent it out for paint. There was a lot of rust on the original vehicle, so we had to get that all taken care of. We had the vehicle sandblasted and painted a nice blue color that kind of resembled the original paint. We then took the chassis, put all new brakes, nice disc brakes, and then had it coated in a really nice underbody coating to prevent from any rust in the future. We went ahead and put this thing on brand new BFG Goodrich tires and added some really nice rims. We also lifted it about 2.5 inches so that the stance sits nice, high and tight. After a little bit of deliberation, we decided to take it to the next level. We convinced him to put a brand new crate engine 350 with a nice little dress-up kit and a full AC system so that the interior would be nice and cool in those Austin, Texas summers. The customer wanted to make sure that he could use this anytime in the Texas weather. So with the new addition of heater and AC, you can ride this vehicle winter or summer. We coated the entire inside of the body with a Raptor coating. This is really good for heat transfer and noise dampening. We then went and added a brand new floor and all new components. The customer said he wanted a really nice stereo system, so we added some upgraded kickers in the rear and a nice pod inside the dash. If you check out the dash, every component is brand new, custom painted. We tinted the windows and added nice plush seats. We really like the way it turned out on the interior, and to tell you the truth, it's my favorite part. The roof alone, we spent about 40 hours in fiberglass work. Apparently it's really hard to find these roofs, so we had to refurbish the original one. If you look at it, you'll notice that we took everything, smoothed out the lines, and coated it in a really nice white Raptor liner. This brought back the original texture from the factory paint, and I think it looks really, really good. We spent a lot of time on the top to make it nice and factory looking. It does still come off, and you can ride nice convertible style like the original K5 was intended. With all these new creature comforts, makes it for an easy daily driver once he gets out on the town. The customer gave us freedom to do exactly what we wanted with just a little bit of guidance. This allowed us to really build something awesome. And the quality that my crew put in here at Modern Diesel is really amazing. I'm really excited to show you guys this because it is by far my favorite build today. We have a few more really cool builds in the works, so you should really check out our website and see what we got going on.